Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with the new chapter, Rotation and Revolution. You are very well known with the movements of Earth, solar system. Now what are the two movements of Earth? Rotation and revolution. Yes. Today I am going to teach you only the rotation, characteristics of the rotation, effects of the rotation. Rotation is the spinning of the earth on its axis from west to east once in 24 hours. Now the axis here is an imaginary line that passes through the center of the earth as it does not on the globe, as the North Pole and the South Pole. Earth's rotation on its axis. Axis is an imaginary line. The line that divides the earth into two equal is equator, if you can see in the diagram. Now we are going to learn about the earth's rotation. Rotation is the spinning of the earth on its axis. The time for the rotation is 24 hours. The speed of the rotation is 24 hours or 24,855 miles or 1038 miles per hour. Characteristics of rotation. Direction, the very first characteristics. The earth completes one rotation from west to east on its axis in 23 hours, 56 minutes and 4.9 seconds, that is 24 hours. Then next characteristics of rotation is inclination of axis. The earth is always tilted in the same direction towards the pole star. Then next is speed. Now effects of rotation. Day and night, as you can see in the diagram, day and night are caused by the rotation of the earth on its axis. This is because part of the earth which faces the sun have day and part of the earth which does not receive any sunlight is night. The time when the sun begins to cast its light in the sky is known as dawn. D-A-W-N. At noon, the sun is overhead. At dusk, it is twilight. And the sun is seen disappearing in the sky at night. It is completely dark. Sunrise and sunset are the second effect. Sunrise and the sunset are caused by the rotation of the earth from west to east. The sun rotates from west to east. That is why we get sunrise and sunset. The part of the earth that moves from the darkness into the sun rays experiences sunrise, and when it moves away from the sun rays, it experiences sunset, as you can see in the picture. Now, the duration of the day and night is not equal at all places of the earth because of the inclined axis. The length of the day varies with respect to the seasons as well as the latitude. Now, what happens here? Some days are small, some nights are small. That is why we say no, nights are shorter, days are longer. Sometimes we say days are shorter, nights are longer. It is due to this effect. Now next is Coriolis effect. Coriolis effect refers to the force experienced by any object moving over the surface of the earth of a rotating body. Now you all know earth is a rotating body. So Coriolis effect plays very important role. Now the movement of the ocean current, the movement on the wind plays here a very important role, which creates Coriolis effect. The sun and the moon and the stars seems to move from west to east. This is because the spinning of the earth from west to east. The speed of the rotation has created a centrifugal force resulting a bulge in middle portion of the earth and flattened at the poles. Now when you must have seen mummy grinding batter in the mixer. Now when the mixer rotates round and round, what will happen? If you open the mixer, if you will see the batter, it is always flattened, right? Flattened top, and in middle it is bulgy. The same way happens with the earth. This is because of the speed of the earth, it is rotating, right? That creates centrifugal force. Rotation causes difference in time over the various places of the earth. The difference in time is 4 minutes for each degree. So for 1 degree longitude, it is 4 minutes. The side of the earth towards the sun constantly gains heat, and side away from the sun constantly loses heat by radiating into the outer atmosphere. So today we have learnt about the effects of rotation of earth. Thank you.